You may be wondering why we have both front-end and back-end. Why not put all your code in one place?
This video is brought to you by OppiePie's Academy.
There are actually good reasons we have both parts of the stack. Front-end development takes place only in your web browser, and the browser is limited. It can't access the local file system, for example, so its ability to store complex or big data is limited. Secondly, the browser tends to be isolated. Generally, you need to interact with other systems, like a database or e-commerce system, and this is done in the back end because the server has storage, the ability to network, and to work with many clients simultaneously. The back end has its own set of languages and technologies. Commonly on the back end, applications are written in a language called PHP. PHP doesn't stand for anything in particular. Again, it's similar to Python, and I think you'll enjoy using it. Let's get started with back-end programming and PHP.